business owners, it's so important to have a system in place to grow your business and create generational wealth. That is why in this video, I am going to give you a system that I utilized when I first started my business that I still utilize to this day.
Is enrolled agent
For more, let's bring in one of those tax experts to help us avoid those. Karla Dennis. She is founder and CEO of Karla Dennis and the...
But before we jump in, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. Now let's get after it. As a business owner, when our money comes into our business account, we have a tendency just to spend out of that one account. The very first thing I'm gonna need you to do is to make sure you have set up at least 4 separate accounts. Why 4 separate accounts? Because the first thing you're thinking, oh, there's going to be account fees and I'm going to have to keep track of all of that. Well, when you get your wealth, you're going to have to keep track of that. So we have to start with bank accounts first. The first account that I want you to have set up is your general account. That's the account that all of your money is going to flow into. Once your money flows into your general account, you're going to have a secondary account that is going to be your emergency fund, where you're going to automatically, every single time you get paid, sweep a certain portion of your income into your emergency fund. The third account that you're going to set up is your account to purchase some equipment or something where you need to invest back in your business. This is a long-term goal that you have for your business. So for example, when I was ready to get a new server and I knew it was going to cost me a lot of money, I started setting money to the side so that I can invest in that new server. So you want to have your equipment investment account for your business. The fourth account that you want to have set up for your business is a savings account for your business. Different from your emergency fund. This savings account for your business is money that you set to the side because at some point you're going to want to grow your business. You're not exactly sure what you're going to need yet, but it's always good to have a savings account set up for your business. When your money comes in every single time you are paid as a business owner, you're going to take one day a week, and I mean one day, not every day, not every other day. You're going to take one day a week where you're going to manage your finances. This is where you're going to move money over to your appropriate accounts. You're going to pay your bills on that particular day. Why do I say take one day a week? Because it's so important as a business owner that we just don't have money going and coming every single day. Money management requires us to sit down and pay attention to what we are spending our money on. I'm not making any payments out of any account unless it's on my day of the week that I make payments out of that account. Why do I do that? So I can be thoughtful in terms of what I'm spending money on. If I'm using my business account like an ATM, I'm just spending money and I'm out there wilding. You gotta have good money management, and good money management starts with understanding how money should flow, understanding how to swoop money to the appropriate account, setting up the appropriate accounts, and only spending money and allocating funding on the day that you're paying attention to your money. When you do that, you will see your business grow. You will see your goals being met sooner rather than later, and you will start to build wealth and then generational wealth where you can pass it down to your children and their children, and it will continue. And speaking of continuing, I want you to continue to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on all things wealth building.